Hey, which way you mob? This is Camp Misguided, and today we'll be doing a cast net tutorial on the way that I throw the net. This has been passed down to me from my father and his father. This style is good for casting big fish or schools of fish from a distance. This technique we have used for many generations to put food on our dinner table. This way is good for throwing large or heavy nets, but you can also use it on smaller nets too. All right, let's get into it. The first thing we do, we get the rope and then we wrap it around itself, pulling the rope through, putting our wrist through, and then pulling that tight. This way the net is always easy to loosen and remove from your hands if any dangers arise, like gets caught in a boat motor or any other dangers that may occur in the water. And then from here we'll run our rope straight through our hand and then making large oval loops all the way down the rope, continue it down onto the net. The next step here is we've got to get the correct height from our net. So we rest the lead on the ground and we get a firm grip around about our knee level. This may make our last loop a little smaller or a little bigger. Then we stand up tall. That's a good height for us to throw the cast net. What we want with the lead here, we want about 1/3. So we pinch it from the side here. We want about 1/3 of the weight or 1/3 of the lead that's there. So roughly about that much. From here, this is the most trickiest part in all of these steps. From here, we go straight down to our elbow, wrap it around, and now we point our elbow up towards the sky. What we need to do now is to open the net. So we grab the first lead line towards us. With our palm facing outwards, halfway up, now we grab a little less than half of the net's weight that's left. So about that much. Now we are set to cast the net. So now that we've got our net all sorted, what we're going to do, we will step forward with our lead leg, dropping the weight of the net behind us and giving us enough momentum to throw the cast net and helping us spread the net. Now the weight should do most of the work, spreading, opening the cast net. Now with my lead wrist throwing the net, it gives it a slight flick on the end. All right, now that's the basic run through on how I throw the net. Let's go do it in the water so I can show you the retrieval process. First, I always plan my course by starting upwind, making my way back, throwing with the wind. When you cast that big fish or large school, you want to give slack in the net and let the fish tire itself out before retrieving the net. As we get down low to retrieve the net, pulling it very slow, letting the lead line close to each other, keeping the fish trapped in the bottom pockets. This is the way I've been taught, and with all these steps, you can provide supper for your family the same way we do too. This is Camp Misguided Cast Net Tutorial. Please show your support by subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions, don't be shy to jump in the comments and we'll try to get back to them as soon as we can. We are Camp Misguided. We'll see you in the next one. Yo, you mob.